The future of e-money, Central Bank Digital Currency (CBDC). Did you know almost quarter% of the world's central banks are considering creating their own digital currencies? So, what is a central bank digital currency? It is basically a digital money which is issued by a central bank, and it is not based on any physical goods such as gold or silver, making it completely electronic. Their existence is like cryptocurrency, but there are differences, such as while a crypto coin can be issued privately, CBDCs can only be issued by a central bank. And they also promise that, unlike crypto coins, the CBDCs will not be risky, and instead they will keep their value and will be reliable over time. And what is the reason of creating central bank digital currencies? The reason is simply creating better payment services and improving the money. Same as other fields, the way people use things and the way they choose to pay is changing. And this new technology can be summarized as adapting. And it is predicted that people will prefer CBDCs over a bank account, as CBDCs will not be at risk if banks fail. And how will the central bank digital currencies work? It will have as much in common with a bank deposit and will be as counterpart to a digital banknote. For example, people will deposit their cash and they will be able to pay digitally or transfer an account to make a payment. It is also significant to say that if you convert a £20 note, it will always be worth same as the value that was converted, which means there won't be any losses. Also, these currencies will not replace the current cash and bank deposits, but they will work alongside. When will the central bank digital currencies arrive? Some countries have already started implementing this. However, many countries are still in the development stage. The first country that introduced their CBDC was the Bahamas, which happened in 2020. Nigeria followed this and became the first African country to establish their currency. India, Russia, and Sweden have started their trials, and now they are testing their progresses. China is aiming to become world's largest digital currency country, and their goal is to start their currency to be used by the end of 2022. And in the USA and in the UK, even though this has been signed and approved, it is still not yet decided to finalize it, and the process is still under research status. So, in a summary, a total of 9 countries have started using CBDCs, and there are about 80 countries that are still in project conditions. Will there be any benefits and any risks? Well, the best benefit is the money laundering will be much easier to identify, and there will be a better solution for some people who cannot have a bank account, giving them the chance to have a CBDC account. Also, it is estimated that payment systems and financial services will have potential for innovation and improvement. On the other hand, with great benefits comes great risks. There will always be risks in cybersecurity and fraud. A security breach or an attack or a slight disruption will have an immediate effect on all payment systems and on consumers. So it will be crucial to build the most secure and trustworthy platform. Otherwise, CBDCs would not be successful without security that ensures user trust in the currency itself. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.